We're bringing to you some fresh new braided hairstyles, so get ready to follow each step. We're starting the first hairstyle at the top of the head by tying a small section with an elastic. Grab another section next to the first one and repeat the same all the way to the back of the head. Divide the first section into equal strands and place the second one in between each of them. Then, tie both first strands with the third one. Repeat the same steps for each section. For more volume, pancake the hair edges. Look how beautiful it already looks! Tie the remaining hair into a ponytail and wrap the remaining strand around the ponytail. A gorgeous hairstyle indeed! We have another lovely design that incorporates a beaded hair accessory. Clip the accessory at the top of the head with a bobby pin and start braiding. The hair clip must stay right in the middle of the entire braid. Keep braiding the same as you would with a regular braid. Pancake the edges as you go down. Look at this mesmerizing view! Such a talented artist! Tie the braid with the rest of the hair and, in the end, wrap a thin strand all around it. Perfect from every angle!